FARO Zone 3D makes it easy and forgiving to draw with 2D and 3D dynamic snaps and grips. Let me show you. With Auto Snaps on, you can draw and snap to existing objects on the screen. Here we have an endpoint snap and another endpoint snap. Turn Auto Snaps on from the Snaps tool panel, and now you can move snaps to endpoints, midpoints, objects, or anything you need to snap to for precision drawing. You can also combine new and existing snaps, like the intersection we just created to the center of this circle. You can also make direct distance entry. You can begin drawing a segment and then type in the precise values that you need, in this case 150 feet. As we move along and finish up, if we want these last corners to snap and be perpendicular to each other with right angles, we can just get close, then select this endpoint, and you can see that if we move this grip, we can see the yellow double perpendicular snap, which will verify that these two lines are now perpendicular. We also have selection grips. Once you've selected something, you can move an entire object or part of an object, or you can rotate the entire object. Get precise rotations in 45-degree increments by holding down the Control key. In 3D, you can select any object and elevate or extrude to generate walls. Change transparencies with the click of a slider. FARO Zone 3D. All the tools you're used to, plus some new FARO innovations to make your work even easier to accomplish with more precision.